Have you ever wondered how we, as humans, came to be? Let's embark on a journey back in time, roughly 4 million years ago, to the dawn of humankind. The stage for our story is set in Africa, where an ancient species, Australopithecus, took the first steps towards becoming us. These early human ancestors were distinct from other primates in several ways. They possessed a more upright posture and a larger brain-to-body ratio. But what truly set them apart was their departure from a tree-dwelling existence to walking on two legs. Yes, bipedalism, as we call it, was a game-changer. It freed their hands, enabling them to manipulate their environment in ways that their four-legged counterparts couldn't. Australopithecus could now craft tools, carry food, and defend themselves more effectively. This shift in locomotion, along with other significant evolutionary adaptations, marked the beginning of a new chapter in the primate playbook. And so, the journey of human evolution began. As time went on, our ancestors continued to evolve. We now delve into the rise of the Homo genus, a step in evolution that heralded a significant change. Homo habilis, aptly named handyman, were the first of our ancestors to use tools, a leap in cognitive development that set the stage for future advancements. Following the habilis came Homo erectus, or upright man. Their name was a nod to their fully upright walk, a trait we share today. Not only did they walk as we do, but their brain size also increased, signifying a marked progression in cognitive abilities. This sophisticated genus was not content with staying put. They were the first hominids to step out of Africa, embarking on a journey that would see their descendants populate the globe. These remarkable transformations did not occur in isolation. Our ancestors were not alone, however. There were other hominids that shared the world with them, paving the way for a rich tapestry of human evolution. Enter the Neanderthals, our closest extinct relatives. Unlike us, they were robust, with a pronounced brow ridge, broad noses, and strong muscles. Living primarily in Europe and Western Asia, Neanderthals braved the harsh Ice Age conditions, showcasing a remarkable resilience. They were not just brawny, but brainy too, crafting tools, controlling fire, and possibly even creating symbolic art. Coexisting with early Homo sapiens, it's fascinating to consider that our paths might have crossed, that we might have shared knowledge, culture, even companionship. Recent genetic studies suggest that interbreeding between Homo sapiens and Neanderthals did occur, leaving a small percentage of Neanderthal DNA in modern humans outside Africa. Yet the Neanderthals' story is tinged with a hint of melancholy. Despite their strengths and adaptability, they couldn't withstand the march of time. Around 40,000 years ago, the last of the Neanderthals vanished. But the Neanderthals were not destined to last. Finally, we arrive at the Homo sapiens, or as we like to call ourselves, wise man. The Homo sapiens, our very own species, had a few tricks up their sleeves that helped them survive and outlive other hominid species. One of the key features that set us apart was our complex language. Language allowed us to share ideas, thoughts, and knowledge. It meant that we could work together in ways that other species simply couldn't match. It allowed us to plan, strategize, and collaborate. And this was a game changer. In addition to language, we developed culture. We started creating art, music, and rituals. These cultural practices helped bind us together as a community, allowing us to support each other and thrive in ways other species couldn't. Through the combination of language and culture, Homo sapiens were able to create societies, build civilizations, and ultimately change the world. And thus, we, the Homo sapiens, came to dominate the planet. So, what have we learned from this journey through time? We've traced the footsteps of our ancient ancestors, starting with the Australopithecus, the first bipeds who dared to rise above the animal kingdom. We've revisited the era of the Homo genus, a landmark period which saw the emergence of various humanoid species, each with their unique traits and survival strategies. We've delved into the age of the Neanderthals, a robust and resilient species that coexisted and even interbred with Homo sapiens. Yet despite their strength and survival skills, they fell to the unstoppable tide of evolution. Then came the triumph of Homo sapiens, our own species, the one that outlived, outsmarted, and outlasted all others. We stood the test of time, braved the harshest conditions, and emerged victorious in the evolutionary race. We are the product of millions of years of evolution, a journey that continues even today. The story of our past is the key to understanding our present and shaping our future.